Hello friends, welcome back to RR Digital Spark Training. In today's session, we'll discuss about history of Apache Spark. So, who created this Apache Spark? Originally, creator of Apache Spark and machine learning flow and Databricks created by Matti Jaharia. Earlier, he worked as a assistant professor of computer science at Stanford University and a chief technologist at Databricks company. MapReduce came into market 2004 and later 2006 they introduced big data Hadoop. After that 2009 Spark was initiated. So Spark was initially started by Mattia Jaharia at UC Berkeley's AMP lab in 2009 and open sourced in 2010 under a BSD license. In 2013, the project was donated to Apache Software Foundation. So, Big Data Hadoop and Apache Spark both are from Apache Software Foundation only, and later it is switched its license to Apache 2.0. Also, in February 2014, Spark became a top level Apache project in market. So this is the history of Apache Spark. Thanks for watching this video. Bye friends.